Hi, welcome to the video lectures. Myself Saurabh Patil. I conduct ethical hacking lectures where various ethical hacking tutorials are created and that will be shared with you. I conduct the lectures to make the people understand how the attack works and how to protect it. That is the intention. In today's lecture or in today's video, what we are going to see why to do a low level formatting. Many people ask me the question, sir, we created a live bootable pen drive, we are using it, and after the session, we want to use that pen drive as a normal pen drive. But the problem occurs, you cannot use that pen drive as a normal pen drive as that pen drive is now bootable pen drive. So when you connect that pen drive to your Windows machine, you see a format this prompt. And when you click on that format disk prompt, like this, what has appeared on the screen, I connected my pen drive, it appears there with the format because this is my bootable pen drive. When I click on the format disk drive, it says that now the capacity of the pen drive is 3.12 GB. Actually, the pen drive is of 32 GB. But the available space in Windows after making the pen drive bootable is less. Why? Because the remaining part we have a Kali Linux operating system stored and the reserved memory is been done. So then I want to use this pen drive back with to a normal. So the first reason why we do a low level formatting, we do a low level formatting to bring back the live bootable pen drive back to the normal. It is the same case with the hard disk. Suppose you have taken a hard disk, external hard disk, and you have made it a bootable hard disk, and you have to bring it back to the normal with a full memory support access, you can do a low level formatting. There's another reason why we do a low level formatting is a hard disk that have a bad sectors. To make it reusable, you do a low level formatting and your hard disk can be again in a reusable mode and you can have the access. The third reason that we why we do a low level formatting is to erase data completely which cannot be recovered from any tool. Suppose you are selling out your phone to as a second-hand phone to someone. You're selling out some laptop or a pen drives or a hard disk to some other person. But that person can use a recovery tool and recollect your data. फ़ोन से, हार्ड डिस्क से, पेन ड्राइव से, एनी मेमोरी कंटेनर से हम लोग रिकवरी करके डेटा निकाल सकते हैं। तो हमारा डेटा चला जाएगा किसी के पास। मैंने बहुत सारे सेशंस में बताया है कि डेटा कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। To erase that kind of data, that data should not go to someone else, you can always do a low level formatting before assigning that thing to anyone else which is not important. You can back up your data at your place, format that particular pen drive and then give it to anyone. For mobile, you are selling the mobile in the resale market, take the phone, do the erase it, format it, low level formatting and then give that back the phone to that particular person. अगर उसके अंदर एच डी कार्ड है तो आप ऐसे कर सकते हो। इससे आपका डेटा रिकवरी कभी नहीं होगा। तो दिस आर द थ्री मेजर रीजंस व्हाई पीपल डू अ लो लेवल फॉर्मेटिंग। तो वो हम लोग करते कैसे? अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, सो हाउ टू डू द लो लेवल फॉर्मेटिंग? इट इज़ वेरी ईजी। द टूल दैट वी आर यूज इन दिस सेशन इज एच डी डी लो लेवल फॉर्मेटिंग टूल फ्रॉम एच डी डी गुरु। दे सिंपल 5 स्टेप्स। मैं आपके साथ वो सारे स्टेप्स करता हूँ और आपको मैं एक्चुअल करके दिखाता हूँ। तो मैंने अभी बताया ना, मेरा पेन ड्राइव कितना है, 3.26 GB का। देखते हैं पूरा 32 GB कैसे एक्सेसिबल हो जाता है। स्टेप नंबर 1, गूगल द एच डी डी लो लेवल फॉर्मेट फ्रॉम एच डी डी गुरु। So to just Google it. Sorry. The website HDD Guru will appear. It has a highest rating. तो मैं ये बता रहा हूँ, बाकी भी बहुत सारे हैं, but it has a highest rating. Just go to the website and just download the version that is most suitable to you. Windows में you have to download this version. I have already downloaded it. You can see it over here before starting the session to save the time. तो आपको just click करना है, इंस्टॉलर करना है तो इंस्टॉलर करो। आपको डायरेक्ट इंस्टॉलेशन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। यू हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक इट एंड एग्जीक्यूटिव विल रन। अभी सपोज मैंने यहाँ पे डाउनलोड कर दिया, यू हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक इट, इट विल आस्क फॉर द upgrade, enter core and continue for the free. You can continue for the free क्योंकि हम लोग का रेगुलर यूसेज तो रहेगा नहीं, तो we can continue for the free. As soon as you continue for the free, we jump to the second step, that is download and install. हो गया हमारा वो. Third step, you have to select your pen drive that you need to format. अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या होगा मालूम है, यहाँ पे आपका ये हार्ड डिस्क है और ये आपका पेन ड्राइव है. तो प्लीज़ इंश्योर दैट आप ध्यान से अपना पेन ड्राइव, योर पेन ड्राइव हैज़ टू बी सिलेक्टेड. या एक्सटर्नल हार्ड डिस्क है तो एक्सटर्नल हार्ड डिस्क सिलेक्ट कर दीजिए, पर अपना एक्चुअल हार्ड डिस्क मत सिलेक्ट कर दीजिए, पूरा फॉर्मेट हो जाएगा. तो प्लीज़ ध्यान रखिए, बी केयरफुल. चलो ओपन करते हैं. मैं क्लिक करता हूँ यूएसबी पेन ड्राइव के ऊपर एंड आई क्लिक कंटिन्यू. एज सुन एज यू कम हो हियर, you have to select low level format. You have to select low level format. ये हमारा फोर्थ स्टेप है, select the low level format. तो मैं यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे था, यहाँ पे आया कंटिन्यू क्लिक करने के बाद आई सिलेक्टेड दिस टैब लो लेवल फॉर्मेट. और यहाँ पे आपको फिफ्थ स्टेप क्लिक करना है, यहाँ पे दिख रहा है सिलेक्ट द फॉर्मेट दिस ड्राइव. तो मैं यहाँ पे जैसे क्लिक करता हूँ, इट as soon as I click on format this drive, it will start formatting and our pen drive will get formatted completely with a low level formatting. I will show you after 100% there will be a prompt which will say that format this drive and you get 32 GB back to your pen drive and you can use it normally which you were using before creating a bootable pen drive, Kalinas bootable pen drive. We are near to complete the low level formatting, and as soon as it gets completed, Windows will prompt for format drive. Because this is a low level formatting, like a new memory storage container, and as soon as the 100% get completed, we have to format it with the high level, the operating base formatting, so that the memory can be accessible to our Windows server. Here it completes the pen drive. If you go and check our USB, it will prompt for format this drive. Just click on the format this drive. Format this, and now you can see out of 32 GB, 28 GB is available. Initially was only the 3 GB was available. You have to just click on start, done, and your format is completed and your device is now ready to get access to the full 32 GB like a normal pen drive which you were using before making it bootable. Hope you understood how to do a low level formatting and bring back your live bootable pen drive to the normal pen drive, because बहुत सारे लोग ड्यूरिंग अ सेशन बूटेबल कर देते हैं पर बाद में क्वेश्चन रेस होता है कि सर कैसे निकालना है, हाउ टू मेक इट. So for that we have this answer, and hope you understood why we do a low level formatting, how to do a low level formatting. If you have any queries still, you can comment below, and if you understood everything, you can hit a like button. Okay, thank you. There will be more videos coming over here to make your understanding better.